Now we will discuss the concept of bank assurance. What is bank assurance? Yes, bank assurance is an arrangement between a bank and insurance company, allowing the insurance company to sell its products to the bank's client base. This partnership arrangement can be profitable for both companies. See, whenever we consider bank assurance, what bank assurance is? Bank assurance means, yes, see this title itself, it is combination of two words, bank and assurance. Okay, see here the bank and the insurance company, they come together. The bank and the insurance company, they come together. So when we consider bank assurance, yes, this word is combination of two words, that is bank and insurance. Okay, means here the bank as well as the insurance company, okay, they come together. Okay, they come together for a motive of offering some products to the general public. Okay, means what the bank does, bank establishes a tie-up with the insurance company. Okay, bank establishes a tie-up with the insurance company. Okay, through this tie-up, a assurance, a guarantee is given by the bank to the insurance company to sell its product. Okay, see what is done into bank insurance. Bank insurance is an arrangement between a bank and the insurance company, allowing the insurance company to sell its product to the bank's client base. This partnership arrangement can be profitable for both the companies. See what these two companies do, that is the bank as well as the insurance company. What they do? Yes, the bank sees that, yes, you can sell your insurance product to our client base. Okay, a partnership, okay, arrangement is made between the bank and the insurance company in which a tie-up is established, okay, in which the bank allows the insurance company to sell its insurance product to their customers. ओके, बघा बँक इन्शुरन्स म्हणजे काय, बँक ॲश्युरन्स म्हणजे एक अरेंजमेंट आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये ह्या दोन कंपनीज ज्या आहेत म्हणजे बँक आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनी, ते दोन्ही कंपनीज एकत्रित येतात. का एकत्रित येतात, तर त्यांचा उद्देश एवढाच असतो की इन्शुरन्स प्रॉडक्ट सेल करणे. ओके, म्हणजे इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला बँक अलाव करते की त्यांचे जे बँक कस्टमर्स आहेत किंवा त्यांचे जे क्लायंट्स आहेत त्यांना इन्शुरन्स प्रॉडक्ट्स सेल करायला हे बँक अलाव करत असते. ओके, यामुळे काय होतं बघा, या अरेंजमेंटमुळे दोन्ही कंपनीज ज्या आहेत म्हणजे इन्शुरन्स कंपनी आणि बँक, ओके, दोघांनाही प्रॉफिट कमवता येतो. ओके, बँक्स अर्न additional revenue by selling insurance products and insurance company expand their customer bases without increasing their sales force or paying agents and broker commission. बघा यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, बँक जी आहे ती काय करते, तर ह्या प्रोसेस थ्रू त्यांना ॲडिशनल रेव्हेन्यू मिळतो. ओके, या प्रोसेस थ्रू त्यांना ॲडिशनल रेव्हेन्यू मिळतो. ओके, आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनी जी आहे त्यांना बँकचे जे क्लायंट्स आहेत त्यांना ॲक्सेस मिळतो. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे ते क्लायंट बेस वाढवू शकतात. ओके, आणि जे बँक्स आहेत त्यांना काय होतं की त्यांना ॲडिशनल रेव्हेन्यू मिळतं आहे. ओके, आणि बघा जेव्हा आपण इन्शुरन्स कंपनीचा विचार करतो, ओके, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द इन्शुरन्स कंपनी टू रीच टू एव्हरी पब्लिक or every person into this general public. Okay, so for that, okay, they do appoint additional staff. Is it? They do appoint additional staff. Okay, now here what happens is, see, the bank, it does allows the insurance company, the bank, it does allows the insurance company to access to their, yes, to access to their account holders or clients. Okay, through this what happens, yes, through this the insurance company can sell their products directly to the bank customers. Okay, and additional revenue is generated by the banks through this activity. बघा जेव्हा आपण बँक ॲश्युरन्सचा विचार करतो काय केलं जातं, बघा बँक आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनी ते दोन्हीही एकत्रित येतात आणि ते त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करतात. ओके, ते त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करतात. ओके, म्हणजे इन्शुरन्स चे जे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत ते बँकचे जे कस्टमर्स आहेत त्यांना इन्शुरन्स कंपनी सेल करते. ओके, आणि बँकला ह्याच्या थ्रू रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट होतो. ओके, आणि अजून काय तर कुठल्याही एजंट किंवा ब्रोकरची मदत न घेता इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला डायरेक्टली त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करता येतात. ओके, कळतं आहे? सो लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बँक ॲश्युरन्स. Bank assurance means selling insurance product through banks. Okay, see what is done into bank assurance. The insurance products, they are sold through banks. The insurance products, they are sold through banks. Banks and insurance company come up in a partnership wherein the banks sell the tied insurance company's insurance product to its clients. Yes, what the bank do here? Banks, on behalf of the insurance company, they do sell their insurance products to देअर क्लायंट्स. ओके, म्हणजे बँकेचे जे क्लायंट्स आहेत त्यांना बँक इन्शुरन्स कंपनीचे प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करते. ओके, याच्यामुळे काय होतं, इन्शुरन्स कंपनी बेनिफिट होते. ओके, ॲडिशनल त्यांना क्लायंट्स मिळतात, ॲडिशनल कस्टमर्स मिळतात. ओके, आणि हे जे बँक आहे त्यांनासुद्धा ॲडिशनल रेव्हेन्यू याच्या थ्रू मिळतो. ओके, so in this arrangement, in this concept, that is bank assurance, what actually is done? Yes, the bank as well as the insurance company, they come together. Okay, they have their motive behind it. Okay, both of them, both the companies, they do have their objective. Okay, they come together with their individual goal. Okay, and they do cooperate with one another. They do enter into a partnership agreement. Okay, the partnership agreement is all about, yes, the bank. What the bank will do? The bank will allow the insurance company to sell its products with the bank clients? Yes, in return, the bank will earn the good amount of revenue through this. Is it? See, or else the insurance company to sell it products, okay, to sell it products, the insurance company, okay, needs to appoint the additional staff, needs to appoint the insurance advisors, okay. But when the bank, okay, establishes a tie up with the insurance company, okay, surely what happens, the insurance company readily gets the client base and, okay, some additional benefits, okay, like saving, the appointment of additional staff, okay, all these things they are fulfilled only through the helping hand which is provided by the banking company to the insurance company. ओके, बघा काय केलं जातं इथे. येस, बँक ॲश्युरन्स म्हणजे नेमकं काय, की त्याचं महत्त्व काय आहे. येस, बँक ॲश्युरन्स म्हणजे बँक आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनी हे दोघंजणं एका पार्टनरशिप ॲग्रीमेंटमध्ये एंटर होतात. ओके, म्हणजे दोघंही बँक ॲज वेल ॲज इन्शुरन्स कंपनी हे दोघंही एकत्रित येतात. का एकत्रित येतात, तर उद्देश एवढाच आहे की बँक जी आहे ती काय करते, इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला एक प्रकारची गॅरंटी देते की आमचे जे क्लायंट आहेत त्यांना आम्ही तुम्हाला इन्शुरन्स प्रोडक्ट सेल करून देऊ. ओके, तुमचे जे इन्शुरन्स प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत ते आमच्या कस्टमर्सला, बँक कस्टमर्सला आम्ही सेल करायला तुम्हाला अलाव करतो. ओके, याच्या रिटर्नमध्ये बँकला काय मिळतं, तर रेव्हेन्यू मिळतं. ओके, यामुळे इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला काय बेनिफिट होतो बघा, की जनरल पब्लिकपर्यंत पोचण्यासाठी किंवा क्लायंट बेस तयार करण्यासाठी, ओके, बऱ्याच वेळी इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला काय करावं लागतं, तर ॲडिशनल स्टाफ अपॉइंट करावं लागतो किंवा इन्शुरन्स ॲडवायझर्स अपॉइंट करावे लागतात. ओके, तर हे काम आता कोण करतं, तर बँक करते आहे आणि बँकेचा कस्टमर बेस हा ऑलरेडी तयारच असतो. इज इट? त्यामुळे काय होतं, तर इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला एक प्रकारचं बेनिफिट मिळतं. ओके, आता when we consider bank assurance, it does have certain advantages. So let's see what are the advantages of bank assurance. Yes, when we come across the advantages of bank assurance, okay, we can classify it into two parts. Okay, advantages to the bank and advantages to the customers. Okay, due to bank assurance means this tie up, okay, what are the benefits which the banks they do derive as well as the customers they do derive. The first benefit which a bank gets through bank assurance is a revenue diversification. See, when we consider banks, yes, only relying upon the loans for the revenue purpose or on the customers of the bank, and in turn the revenue generated through the transactions with the customers, okay, in this 21st century it is not enough. Okay, the banks to operate themselves, okay, in a good manner, they do need additional revenue. Okay, and when they assure the insurance companies to sell their insurance products on their behalf. Okay, a revenue is granted by the insurance company to the banks. Through this, what happens is, okay, the bank gets revenue through various modes. Okay, and it will be helpful for the banks to flourish and expand their businesses to a proper extent. ओके, बघा, जेव्हा आपण रेव्हेन्यूचा विचार करतो, ओके, बँक्स जे आहेत त्यांचा रेव्हेन्यू सोर्स म्हणजे काय? त्यांचा रेव्हेन्यू सोर्स म्हणजेच त्यांचा कस्टमर बेस. ओके, म्हणजे जेव्हा ते लोन एक्सटेंड करतात किंवा त्या प्रकारचे ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स या कस्टमरशी जेव्हा ते करतात तेव्हाच कुठेतरी त्यांना रेव्हेन्यू मिळतो. ओके, अनलेस अंटिल ओके त्यांना रेव्हेन्यू मिळण्याची शक्यता खूपच कमी असते. ओके, आता जेव्हा आपण या बँकेचा विचार करतो, ओके, जेव्हा ते इन्शुरन्स कंपनीबरोबर टायअप करतात तेव्हा काय होतं? येस, इन्शुरन्स कंपनीबरोबर टायअप केल्यामुळे इन्शुरन्स कंपनीबरोबर टायअप केल्यामुळे येस शुअरली इन्शुरन्सचे प्रोडक्ट्स विकल्यामुळे इन्शुरन्स कंपनी बँकेला एक प्रकारचं फंड्स, फायनान्स किंवा रेव्हेन्यू प्रोव्हाइड करते. त्यामुळे काय होतं, बँकेला त्यांचे जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स गोल असतील, ओके, ते अचीव करायला, म्हणजेच बँक एक्सपांड करायला किंवा बाकीच्या ज्या गोष्टी असतील ॲडिशनल, ओके, त्या सर्व गोष्टी त्या रेव्हेन्यू थ्रू करणं शक्य होतं. देन सॅटिस्फॅक्शन ऑफ मोर फायनान्शियल नीड्स अंडर द सेम रूफ. See, previously the customers, okay, if they were in need of insurance or some insurance coverage, they were supposed to approach the insurance companies individually or separately. Okay, but now, okay, as the bank itself are providing or making available the insurance products to the customers, it is quite easier for the insurance for the customers to insure themselves. Is it so? Under a single roof, it is possible for them to opt for banking products as well as insurance products. बघा, आधी काय व्हायचं की हा जो बँकचा कस्टमर आहे त्याला समजा इन्शुरन्स घ्यायचा असेल तर इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला सेपरेटली भेट द्यावी लागायची किंवा त्याला स्वतःला इंडिपेंडेंटली तिथे जाऊन काही प्रोडक्ट्स असतील इन्शुरन्सचे ते घ्यावे लागायचे. आता काय होतं आहे तर वन टाईम जेव्हा तो बँकेत बाकीचे बँकिंगशी रिलेटेड ट्रान्झॅक्शन करायला जातो तेव्हाच तो इन्शुरन्सचे सुद्धा ट्रान्झॅक्शन करून येऊ शकतो, कारण की बँक काय करते आहे, इन्शुरन्स प्रोडक्टसुद्धा ऑफर करते आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी ज्या आहेत एकाच छताखाली त्याला मिळू शकतात. देन कस्टमर रिटेन्शन, इन्क्रीज इन कस्टमर लॉयल्टी. See, when the customers, okay, they are satisfied with you, okay, as you are providing banking products as well as insurance products, is it they are getting or their two purposes they are fulfilled under a single roof, okay, when they consider this thing, okay, and the services which you are providing, okay, through your banking or through the insurance, okay, if it is satisfying the customer, surely the customer, what they will do, they will never leave your bank, okay, they will stay attached with your bank always. Then Due to this, okay, once the customer is satisfied by consuming your banking products as well as insurance products, okay, the base of customer will be created in such a way that, okay, they will always be having loyalty with whatsoever you are providing to them. Then more profitable resources utilization, okay, what is it? When we consider the resources which are made available to the banks, okay, see, when we consider banks, the banks are provided, the banks are provided with yes, the banks are provided with staff, right? Okay, they do have employees, okay, and many of the resources they are made available to the banks, okay, when they offer the insurance products also. The resources which are made available to them, those can be more properly utilized by them, those can be more properly utilized by them, okay. Then enriched customer environment, okay, enriched customer environment, what it means? See, the customer, when they enter into the bank itself, okay, many of the facilities will be made available to them, many of the facilities will be made available to them. What it means? It means that, okay, see, when we consider the banks, when we consider the banks, okay, as you are providing banking products with the insurance products, whenever the customer enters your premises, yes, he will think that, yes, the bank is caring about us, because as you are providing so many products to them, okay, they will think that, yes, the bank surely is caring about us, okay. Then establish sales oriented culture, okay. See, what you do is, yes, you sell the insurance products, right? You sell the insurance products whichever is suitable to the customer, so one kind of sales oriented culture will be developed here. Then advantage for the insurance companies, okay, what are the different advantages which the insurance companies get? Yes, see, revenue and channel diversification. See what happens, additional client base, ready client base will be offered to you by the banks, is it? Due to this, what happens? Yes, the bank readily makes available the banking customers or the bank client base to you. Due to this, what happens, you are not needed to take additional efforts, okay, to search for the customers, is it? Due to this, somewhere, okay, as your insurance products will be sold to the right clients, okay, a kind of revenue will be generated. Then quality customer access, okay, as we all know, the ready client base is offered to you by the banks. Due to this, what happens? Yes, due to this, you will be access to the quality customer. Then increase in volume and profit, okay. See what happens, as you go on establishing tie-ups with the banks, you go on creating the customer base. Due to this, what happens? The volume of the customer will be increased. In turn, you will get good amount of profit. Okay, then improved brand equity. Okay, improved brand equity. What it means? Improved brand equity means, yes, your brand will be well known ones. How? Okay, the banks, what they will do? They will do marketing of your products. The banks itself will do marketing of your product. Due to this, what happens? Yes, somewhere your reputation is generated, and okay, you will be getting A1 position in the market. Then the insurance company can establish itself more quickly in a new market using a local existing bank channel. Okay, if a new insurance company, it wants to establish its position in the market, what it can do is, yes, it can establish a tie-up with a bank, and through that bank itself it can establish a position in the market. बघा, जेव्हा आपण इन्शुरन्स कंपनीचा विचार करतो, इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला सुद्धा काही बेनिफिट्स होतात. एक म्हणजे काय, रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट होतो. ओके, रेडी कस्टमर बेस मिळतो आहे. ओके, याच्या थ्रू ते कस्टमर वाढवू शकतात आणि त्यात थ्रू प्रॉफिट ते कमवू शकतात. ओके, त्यांचं रेप्युटेशन वाढतं आहे, एक ब्रँड आयडेंटिटी त्यांची क्रिएट होती आहे. आणि ओके, समजा एखादी कंपनी, इन्शुरन्स कंपनी नवीन असेल तरीसुद्धा ओके, त्या इन्शुरन्स कंपनीला स्वतःचं असं अस्तित्व निर्माण करता येईल बँकच्या मदतीने. Then the advantage for the customer. Okay, see, due to bank assurance, what advantages do the customer get? Yes, enhanced conveniency. Okay, see, under one roof they will be made available with insurance products as well as banking products. Okay, previously what they were supposed to do, they were supposed to visit the insurance company separately for insuring themselves or insuring their property or anything. Okay, आता काय होणार आहे की बँकेत एंटर केल्याबरोबर त्यांना इन्शुरन्सचे प्रोडक्टसुद्धा मिळतात, म्हणजे एका छताखाली बरेचसे कामं त्यांची होतात. ओके, वन स्टॉप शॉप फॉर ऑल फायनान्शियल नीड्स. Okay, many of the financial needs, they will be fulfilled under one roof. Okay, innovative and better products range. Is it? See, they will be made available with variety of products. Is it? And whichever is suitable to them, they can choose it. Then more credible solutions. Okay, means whatsoever is suitable for the risk which is attached to their subject matter, such type of product will be made available to them. Okay, so these are the advantages to the customers. With this, we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.